This video will show how to create countries in Sylius software straightforwardly. Go to the administration panel located on the left. Then click on the Countries button, and you will be redirected to the Country Management panel in your organization. As you can see, all the countries that apply to your shop are available in this panel. You also have information about the code, which is an abbreviation, the name of the country, its status, and the possibility of taking action. To create a country, click on the green button in the top right corner. Then select the country you are interested in from the available list. For this video, we will choose Denmark. As you can see, the country we have selected is now visible in the management panel. Sylius offers the option to disable or enable a country within your organization. To enable a country, select the Edit option and enable the country with the Enabled button. The country that was previously disabled should now change its status to Enabled. To add a province of a country to our organization, first, click on the Edit button on the right-hand side. Then, under Provinces, click on the button that will enable you to add it. Sylius will ask you to enter the code, DB, the name, Berlin, and the two-letter abbreviation, B. In this part of the video, we will show how to demonstrate the functionality of the province in the checkout process. Go to the store page by clicking the View Your Store button. Then add your preferred product to the shopping cart and proceed to the checkout process. Fill in the billing address and shipping address. It is important to select the country in which we have completed the data from the administrative panel and in which we have completed the information about the province. When we select Germany, an additional tab will appear so that we can choose a province. Then, follow the steps outlined in the recording.